Even one and all. Speak my mind entertainment. So easy. Yes, man. Boy, people. I see the man who has run around and seek validation. You know, who keep get rejecting. I see him come out from the number woman over small island. And guess who him come out for? Guess who him come out for now? T-Dog. Just as you know here in this morning video, we are playing like a snaps of him, you know, actually defending her same way and stuff against Chris and this long time friend where she have what she say, you know, turn her back on her or whatsoever she want to call it, because people always do she things. She not do nobody nothing at all. There is not one thing out here that we see in social media unfold. You know? Not one thing in social media that we have seen unfold where T-Girl is concerned, where she take responsibility of. Where she come out here and said, oh yes, I apologize. Oh yes, I am the one who caused that to happen. Oh yes, I was wrong. Oh yes, I shouldn't do that. Yes, it's not looking good. Not one thing. Every God Almighty thing where T-Girl is concerned, T-Girl is the victim. And this boy away, I seek validation all over recently from the same T-Girl because him feel like him write her this apology and she said the apology accepted, which she is also seeking and recruiting whosoever she can recruit. Despite there's not much people out here for her to recruit, it is just like a pass round donkey. You know, them take a time out with them one another, then them make up and go back to them one another. It does come like a good love affair. It's just that at times, you know, we don't see eye to eye and with malice and with jealous and you hear woman say, oh, me and him left. Me and him left. Left way. Left way. So it's like them have to recycle them one another because them not have much place to turn. But him come out for the number one in defense of her. So, me have go on that even video, yeah? So you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. I want to know that already. And please to watch the ads. It is so easy to do all of this. And it no cost on a dollar. Not even a dime or a quarter. Not even a shilling or a pound. Not even a CI or a Bajan dollar, Antiguan dollar, St. Lucian dollar, St. Kitts dollar, whatsoever country, Trinidadian dollar. Nothing it no cost no. But it is so easy to like, share and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. That is the like. And please to watch the ads. Remember to follow the backup page. Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. The link is in my comment section pin. Just hit the link, and when the link open, you just hit subscription. The blue writing, and then you hit the subscription word, post notification bell, put it on all, so anytime a video drop, you get notified. And follow me also on TikTok. You know, I have that great feelings that this week, I want to make sure I run an outside plug. So basically, you know, I can have an outside plug where I can plug in an extension so I can recharge if anything, if my phone I got dead or the boombox I got dead, which the boombox fully charged and them said it lasted 4 hours, which I only plan to play like 1 hour and stuff. So I want to go subscribe, follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, for the entertainment part of Life is a Mission TV, where we entertain. We are going to find 2 days of the weekend where we do some entertainment. One, basically, you know, I go and play some music. Then at some part of it, like a half an hour of the program, we have the privilege to request whatever music we want to hear, whatever genre on a recording, and make on a request and I play, you know, and stuff like that. If you don't want WhatsApp, you don't want call me on WhatsApp, you don't want come up in the box or what, but me here say you have to do like 3 live. I don't know true it is 3 live over an hour for you to can bring people in at the box. Like different bringing people in at the box, you can bring 6 or almost 4 or something people in at the box. It is kind of different from like if you just add somebody to the live like you're gonna play a match. You understand? I'm gonna like to know so I can add 6 sound in the box. For identity, not for sure, but people who I recognize. People who I recognize. Alright. So I can add with up in the box and all the reasoning, and stuff, and like we do a Zoom. Yes, man. So I'm gonna follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and favorite it also. Cash App is there, $ charms and trends in the comment section. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. And go support the merge. Support the merge. Support the merge. Check out the website, charmsandtrend.shop. And you can go on the Instagram page, business page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, get it customized to your liking. Just drop in the DM if you want it customized for further information. If you see something there you want to purchase it immediately, you go straight to the website. All the details is there and prices. Charmsandtrend.shop. Anything you see over there away from a t-shirt and the cap, you also can get it customized with the Speak My Mind brand. The good thing about shopping with Charms and Trends, you got the privilege to request what you want customized. So if you see something over there in a black and you like it but you want it in a red, you can request that. If you see something over there and you see a Speak My Mind brand over there, you want your name added to it, Speak My Mind whatsoever, you can request that. If you see something over there, Speak My Mind brand or Life is a Mission TV, and you see do the do or whatsoever, and you don't want to do the do, you want something else, you request that. Alright? So, I could jump into the video. That's the business part aspect of the channel. So, time now for jump into the video car. Boy, I mean, I know. Baby James out here every day, with 4, 5, 6 mix up, but at the same time, it come like him still not reach because him not really a trend. Him not trending, him just out here from one bag of mix up, but him not trending. So here we go on now. As I said, him come out, I cuss all the woman about her sickness. Well, I don't know if she cuss people about sickness. Because really and truly, if she come out for me for nothing at all. I'm a two listener. And there's a whole lot of video out there. Normally would I drop a one video with her and think. I really and truly, I'm not against her and think. But if me and you don't have no problem and me make a statement and do a video and you don't listen to the video properly, or you see a title, we all know social media is like that where, sometimes people use title to catch people, where you call clickbait. Me not really do clickbait. Because anything you hear me say on my title is a part of that in my video. Whichever part, you to find out and listen. But it's in my video. Whether the first, the middle, the second, the last, whatsoever, it's in my video. I choose what me feel in the video is more catching and terms it my way. Right? And the terms it my way, me might not, just like the last time the woman did say, me should have did say. Why me should have did say? What me say, I went in the video. You can't tell me how to do my thing. The fact remains it wasn't a clickbait. Because when me say in the title is what in the video, it's just that me might left out something to attract the eyes more. But it's not a clickbait. Clickbait is when you put something in your title with no concern the video. That is clickbait. Anyway, I could get to another video. Oh, very windy people. You see the wind? Listen up.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Then I name after in the mid same way.
Full time now, full of discipline, that big old stinky. Who's gonna discipline you, big cow, big so who's gonna discipline you?
This is a man that you're criticizing health,
Big frambuses, big
you hear? And people that come out at you. This is a man who is sick. I hear him.
It takes one to know, and it takes a serpent to know another. You're that serpent.
I went eat this morning. I went baby germs eat this morning. What kind of the decal you use wipe up strong?
What you not saying, Bigfoot? Ah.
come like the dental where you use this morning, wipe up strong, it'll burn you. You come out harsh, like a soda. You, you time for thing that start respond to you in our comment section and come on your platform. Because you know she good for that.
They are not gods, right? They are some old, long time people. Yes, you don't need to be long time too, but you're cute. You can pass. The rest of them cannot pass, right? Teenage, do you hear me? When they trouble you come angle, bangle, triangle, and square them blood, come and square them. I'm not going to come laugh for them nasty ass. I want to laugh. Don't be afraid of them. At this point, we're not doing too much. Especially this big nasty dog. This drunk Koyaso, she's doing way too much. That woman, you're doing way too much. Take a strong fuck off and come off our back because you will never look like teenage. Never. And that's the truth. The truth hurts, right? The truth is hurting lots of times. So you will never look like that. Never. But see, someone look like some stick insect. Someone want to eat. Someone want to suck my sucker for malnourishment. I don't know why, but they look like they want to suffer. But see, some guy party with a blood clot.
Yo, trust me, when all them here come and talk about people, they must feel a sort of way. Not saying, about what he must say about them, but if you know, say, somebody will look as insipid as him, the condition with him in her, come out here and describe you. And that make you feel a sort of way, I say, look all them here, Look all them here. It's not what he must say about you, You understand? It's not what have been said. It's the person who has said it make you feel a sort of way. No, sir. Like when I say, you lie with dog, you rise with flea. But them you don't have to lie with them. You don't have to lie with them, Because them are out here run up and down. I seek validation. I seek comfort. I seek family. You understand? And that them out here do. So you don't have to say lie with them. For them come at you. Them gonna do whatever them feel can get them there. Simple as that.
I wish by that praying man, which part this praying mantis come from? Where did this praying mantis come from? Oh, you look so. You know, I eat away that I suck on sugar. I suck on little grease. Why you look so? I have ear, the big A, why you look so? Let's talk. Why do you look like why you look the way you look? Come off teenage back. We're not doing too much. We're not doing way too much. I'm in a business, I tell them the truth. Get out of here. Well, you don't know if the woman change her gloves. You change the dress from morning, you change your dress from morning, you change the dress.
But it is so funny. That gloves argument and the whole thing when she posts up the woman. I get a few screenshots of some comment where people in fair comment section, Tina girl chin, dirty nasty chin, where they are saying the woman was not baking at the time. She was sitting down having a discussion on the gloves. People also say they see when she took the gloves off because they were on the live. Some people say were speculating. So basically these people were speculating might never on the live. Said she must have been at take off the gloves when she finished. So why doing this and bringing down this the screenshot of the messages are here. And you can differentiate the people them who is probably flanker, people who is just neutral, and people who is for she. Because the people who is for she, they're over there supporting what she are saying. Yeah, the people over there are supporting what she are saying. See it here where she post up, honestly, me show it already. When I tell the people, I say, come like she take it down, but me don't know if it's a new post she make. Because this post was saying like an hour, see it there. And I don't think she have such caption on it. See the only part a comment section there, see it there? All the comments, so me not lie. See it there? You can know the people who is with her, who support her, neutral people and the people who, you know, is probably saying, Dana. Like all that one ya, when name Nisi Brooks, Nose North and Buku. So you never see the big old spit where come from the rotten teeth corner, a Tina mouth, we're dropping at the butter. You never see that, right? And the list goes on, but I could get back to the video.
Fuck the glove. You change the drawers. You don't have to change the drawers.
Boy, you come out hard for the number, woman, though.
Let's not go.
I wonder what she said about you recently.
You change the drawers.
Wonder what she said about you recently, boy.
You wash your cuts for morning. Go wash it. Shut up. Come off stage. Come off it, woman.
Your mouth wasn't present, but probably she never want your mouth to do that still. Yeah, and nobody no come out on our comment section come talk about that.
Spit! And your mouth should have spit. You take your hand and wipe your mouth. Continue with the grease paper. How you not say? What?
Not only that, on 2 occasions, she have wingworm on her hand, yeah, so big old wingworm. And she come out here, come said it's no wingworm. Because what she do, she use some, you know, you have the purple lotion and you have the Makora comb, which is the red one. The purple lotion and you have the Makora comb, which is the red one. So not the more because, well, I'll you have to know what me I say I so do. Because she use a lot of dye in her cake, you know, and that's why she feel like Dana use a lot of dye in her cake also. So I don't know if what she do, the ringworm is on her hand. And two, she in the baking and the cake, she don't want it show up that obvious. So probably what she do, she could have dip the same dirty hand. Because she don't normally wear gloves and mask, you know, for purpose, you know. No one again she might in her gloves. She might dip her hand in the whatever batter, whatever mixture with the coloring and just wipe it over the wingworm. So it would that kind of shade the wingworm. So if we do see it, because she have to bake, because she's hungry, she can't take time off till that get better. So if we do see it, the red something would have kind of shield it, and she could have come out, come say, at the mixture, the cake or the dye which she use. I good at that, you know. Yes, man. And I good at nothing dressing she put over it. I good at that exactly she do. The wingworm there, and she know we are going to see it. You understand? So she just use some of the coloring from the cake, rub over it. So she don't know you mix and you mix butter. Anything like that can splash up on you or whatsoever. I feel like that you do, girl. And nobody not talk about that. And at 2 occasions you have wingworm. And we see you be a cake to sell people. Not for yourself and your pitney, to sell people. And that nasty the way to talk about, but to him germs like you.
You don't say, girl. Girl, what you not saying? Continue to do what you do with the grease paper. What you not saying? Look how much time you come out here. Yeah, beer. Your nails them dirty. At least our pum don't stink like your nasty.
Oh, you know that? And she not have none.
Right.
Oh, you know that and she not have none of that.
Right when a man not fucking, don't worry about that. Teenage is cute enough, sexy enough,
no, sir.
good enough.
Come let me go search to see how this sound when I say about him, make him come out so strong.
I gotta run that down. And it's up to her say you want come fuck me in my own.
How much man I gotta run her down? Tina do up here so nearly 1 year and add now. Or just over a year. And up to now, a man not date Tina. Up to now, Tina don't find one man for date her. And it's not just only the looks of Tina make no man no want date her. You see, the history of Tina, if a man even see her and like her, it might happen that him decide that somebody will know much about her. And he might say, boy, that girl don't look too bad, you know. Because at night and him go out there and he might turn and him lick and him see her. Not really pray her that much. I don't know when night come and the girls them put on them makeup and them ear and sitting, they look totally different from daytime. Sometimes when you wake up with them, you want to run out of the house. Yes, man. And the man might say, or the woman might say, who she? No, sir, you don't want to go there, sir. Across is that. No, sir, you don't want to go there, sir. If you go there, sir, you're solved for life. So probably that's why Tina really not get no man. So when you talk about whole heap of man around down. And how you know Tina sitting. Remember me telling you this man video, you know. The amount of name we on Tina Curtis is more than we there at the RGD office, which is the Registrational General Office of Jamaica, where every one of us single Jamaican birth paper come through. So you know how much name there is. So and Tina Curtis have more name a call upon her Curtis more than anything else. Them they have no call because the man them never want them name call. You understand? Because the amount she passed through. So oh you know say Tina have good crutch. And Tina
what the fuck?
You just come out here for this woman for one me, no know.
Dirty. Nah wash. Dirty one. What the fuck you? What about that? Go giant man gym. All I wanna go giant man gym cause shape bad. And me for shape bad. Because me big cripple. Unlike you should not have a damn excuse. Understand? Relax, dirty girl. Relax. Bitch, relax. What the fuck?
At for you, he must see. At for you.
Tina can look on the rock where you put the kid on.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Man,
Don't
they
worry
not give the
about
woman
that.
a
Don't worry
chance
about
to
that.
expose Tina, you know. Not a chance. The man they not give him the woman a chance to expose Tina. Because even that, the rock sitting where she put on a tower, oh, it was just a shelf to put up some of my this and some of my that. Look how that look. Look on the condition of that. Look for your house, Tina, where you recently paint. Right, which part you use a TV and cover up. You say it's not a doorway, it's a picture frame. But if me say me a make over my house and me a paint my house and me have that picture frame in my house, if I can do something to it to clean it up after painting my place to make it look even up and things look good, me show it where. A foreign you live. Me sure no you buy that more is there. Or if that the same one, you must can get something looking like that if something have to definitely cover. That's so. Or you definitely want a picture frame there. And you come out and point out things. Hey.
Look on the rock, drunk, look on the rock.
Takes a jungle to know another jungle, and you are the first jungle. You are the first one out here. Right. Dog. Puppy.
Work for the connection, yeah, boy. I'm in a wrong, you. You need Tina connection, so body.
You do too much now.
You realize, say, you now get accepted over the tell like
Let's say Tina she's doing too much.
So you work hard over here, so.
You know, say, your problem is going to cuss you. Your problem is come and cuss you backside. Because you're doing way too much. You come out yesterday and cuss me. You come out yesterday and cuss me. Because what? You provoke that cussing. And in turn, and this one, it was.
Me know, man. Me know. Him couldn't just come out so strong in defense of Tina. Unless she come out, come say something. You hear me ask? I wonder how way she do him or come out and come say about him. But true, me not to watch her like that because, you know, I don't know what it happened the last time. But me know something. Him couldn't just run out so hot to defend Tina. I must in defense of himself, but him just use Tina video, you know, to create the whole scenario and content. What I've been said I don't know still, but here admit there. So she come out film yesterday and whatsoever. So him have all right if he come out him say. That's why him be so strong.
You was waiting for that to happen for a long time. See, you got it. I'm a limb you up, right? And here you come. And hello. This is coming out of the customer last night. Me I come cuss your clock down for Tina Trina. Yes, me I cuss for her.
Double impact. Double impact. That you know. He might cuss him and he might cuss
You're doing too much.
Tina.
Who's gonna
Cause him
fix
need
it?
Tina connection
And
bad.
you can't fix it. Go away. You have a big mouth. No one's afraid of your mouth. Me not afraid of your mouth. I got nothing to lose but followers, girl. Go away. You're doing too much. Go look after your people, them. Go focus on your life. Go focus on your health.
You know, you always come out here come say them something here. You have nothing to lose but followers. Like you don't give a damn, you don't care. Because basically you probably you say you're not gain from social media. But why you're not gaining? You used to gain. But why you're not gaining? All because you lose your followers. All because all who used to support you, you shun them. And you is the same one who come out here crying about followers, you know. You are the same one who come out here talking about your numbers, you know. You come out here and you don't like to see when you see on the 20 and 30 somebody on your page, you know. When you used to have 200 and 300 and 400 and 500 at some time, you have all 1,000, you know. So you're hungry with yourself. But you have a right to hunger with yourself because you were the one who shunned these people. You make it look like these people don't need it. And if you don't need these people, why have a platform? Huh? Or why have a monetized platform if you don't need these people? Demonetize your platforms. So you just know, so you just want some if advice your grows. But when you're going to monetize your platform, that simply means you need these people. And when they walk, you have a problem. You're trying so hard to gain, but these people know. And it's not working. But because you're gone back on a level where most of the people them know you for, this whole heap of bag of mix up here, there, and everywhere. Your sister kind of start work now. You run left it and I want to do it this, you run back, you but now, you do 3-4 videos a day with all kind of passa from all hurt, part of the hurt, all walks of life. So people start gravitate back to your mix up, so your numbers kind of gone up now. And your views. And now you want to run them again. Well, probably them now support and watch the ads. Them just watch the video, them and skip the ads. But most time when they do the Facebook live, them can't skip the ads. Them is either them watch them or them come off a page. But you continue to talk about you don't need the people them, and them make you out here behave this way right now. Them, because you lose them, so you fight hard to gain them back. And it's like most of them true with you. It's just that the mix up, you know, say the mix up sell. So some of them are true with you, might run over at times and listen you. You understand? But that's it. No support by watching the ads and them something they are going in your comment section just to hear it first from you. Instead of me have to bring it. Despite my little style, people still come along to listen to me because they might come to listen what me have to say about it, or me orchestrate it, and or me put it out there with my little drama, gimmicks and whatsoever. You understand? But them still rush to you to hear it first hand. So stop telling people them, boy, you don't need them. You need them.
You can never look like Team you, Janice Foster. You can never, not even Donna. Donna, you can never look like Tina Chin.
You have a right still. You have a right.
13,
You have a right. Never look like.
Tina Chin.
Because who would want to look like Tina Chin? Who?
Put yourself together and Tina Chin put yourself together. Let's.
Tina Chin was shame. When Tina Chin take a picture, when you look at all of Tina Chin picture them she take. All of them is one pose. And I always ask, oh, this girl says she a Barbie and she a hot girl. And every time she take a picture, it's just one way. It's because she's ashamed of one side of her body. She's not proud of one side of her body. She said that. Said the best part of her body is the part that she always showed. You know, she take a picture and she and she just show the hip. If she take a picture front way, she twist the foot so, and she take it. Just one set of pose. The main one is the one that I show you. The main one is the one where she in the whatever skimpy wimpy something, and she feel like yes, IR are the best set part of her when she go do. Because the next side look like it's spoiled. Yeah. So she show that side that main and she want to check out her picture them when she post. check out her picture them if you don't think I lie me. I tell you. Just go check her picture them when she post them. One set of pose. Front way pose, one pose. Side way pose, one pose. If she face a wall or so, one pose. She not proud of one side of her body. So nobody don't want to look like she. Dana want to look like how she look and stay as how she look. Tina can't put on no clothes out down Dana. None at all. Because people supposed to wear what they're comfortable in and what suit them looks and them shape. And Tina now put on nothing when me see we suit for her looks and shape. And I want believe she have skimpy wimpy. If she even have to dress officially some part of her body affair show, is the dress have one long split in the crotches, or she have one off the shoulder, or she have one little sitting here so for show them. Yeah. She not have no confidence in herself unless she show some part of her body. None. So now come size up yourself. If you look friend from Tina, you just look that and no size up yourself.
And I'm not trying to discriminate nobody, but I'm telling them, calling a spade a spade. She's better than most big dog, most big back. She look better than most on the go away. I got she cute on a bad man or go away. I got she look pretty on a bad man or go away.
Yeah, cute tip with wax on it.
And most of the people
oh, cute.
Most of the people they're ugly till they're spoiled. Go away.
I talk about a picnic, man, because you will never ever live to see a picnic.
Go away.
Or produce a picnic.
Dogs.
You're doing too, and the people them not troubling you.
Are you a trouble eye? So if are you a trouble eye for them? You're doing it for them. You're doing it for them. You are doing it for them.
The people them not see you.
And they don't see you neither. It's so funny.
Well, I'm really so that nine skill, you know, me not lie to you know. But we have to share where I go on, you know. That's how it's set up people. And that's why I say I need support and I need no follower at all. We have to share them despite them and nine to it.
What are you doing?
We have to share them behavior.
You are the water with a life. I harass her and her children and her parents. You're doing it for those people. You because you are benefiting
breadfruit and
from
roast it in
this
idea,
some way, shape, or form. I don't know to the depth of how
you
far
can
it
cook
goes,
up with some
but
saltfish
you
or
are
shrimp.
benefiting
Or
from
shrimp,
this.
you don't
When
know.
I'm telling
Must be
you,
stored from
you,
now.
Janice Foster, you're benefiting. And if you don't see it, keep being blind. But this dirty dog is benefiting from harassing this woman and her children, especially the one with cancer. She is benefiting from harassing the woman and her pet them. And I mean, it's the truth. And if you don't see it, or don't see it, 30, you need a life. You need that damn life and come off the woman back. You're doing too much. And you go and say you don't can cuss. You cannot cuss. You cannot cuss. You're going to have some dirty words in the mouth. Some dirty words in the mouth. That's it. I mean, what's me some dirt in my mouth to say if you want to come, let's have it. Let's freaking have it. I'm ready for you now. You're doing too much. You're doing too much for these dirty people. These corrupted old fuckers. You're doing too much. Come on for the people them back.
The lawyer ready for your number, woman.
You say.
The lawyer ready for you.
And when the people think at university, is this why you out there costing teachers and our family to get that money? You won't reach. Because I'm sure you're getting peanuts. The time you have a whole YouTube. You have a whole YouTube. And before you come over here, come blog and make money. Even if a $1, even if a 10 cent, you're making it the right way. But you come with a costume, okay, these people, they're giving you money to do them dirty with it. Go ahead. Let them come and defend themselves. Let them come and do it themselves. Damn fool.
Do not like the woman.
Hold on. When you say she have a YouTube page and she can come make the money the right way with a 10 cent, then what you're saying over Facebook, where probably when you say Facebook now appear or she might not monetize whatsoever, if she carry it over YouTube and do it over YouTube, at the same thing we should have do over Facebook, should have carry over YouTube. Okay, yes, YouTube appear with a 10 cent, 20 cent, 15 cent, 5 cent you get for the video, 50 cent, $1, $2, $3, yes, they get paid. But when you say should I do it the right way, because YouTube appear, So what the difference with what she say over Facebook, what she care over YouTube? When she come over YouTube with it, what the difference? But probably I understand what you're trying to say. You are trying to say that this woman is collecting money from people to come out here and cuss people. That you say. You could have just said it and done. Because when the statement you make no sense. She over Facebook I do it. And you are going to say she can't come over YouTube because she have her YouTube page. Come make the money the right way. What is the right way? When she come over there with the same thing what she do on Facebook. Because YouTube are going to pay her 10 cents, 20 cents for the video. Are the right way that? So what's the difference? So you just don't want to see somebody sending her something, because if somebody send her something and pay them a PR for cuss people, me get your point clearly. Well, you can't be throwing no bush and try come on to me, you know. No bush. These are waka. Shum. That's sharp, two-sided blade. Shum. Cut down all bush. You can't hide behind it.
On Facebook, from what I see, I don't see no ads. I don't see no ads going for her videos. No ads. None whatsoever. Which means ads are not on. Yes, there's subscribers back, but when we go on that page, I don't see no one over there buying a badge. Nobody. So what money is she trying to, what paycheck is she trying to make out here? What paycheck? You see, you, as you have to spread propaganda.
So that's how she getting paid. People are PR for cuss people.
To make a buck, 2 or 3.
That's the way I say.
Don't know that.
Oh, no, that, man.
You used to come talk about her son and say, in my collect
you not see no, you know, ads pan her page, nobody now buy no bad. So where she make the money from? People are PR because people. That's exactly what I say.
You said you're gonna call the government to report her son for benefits fraud or something along the line, right? Let's not forget. How was her son life your concern? How was that young man, whatever the government of America was giving you, how was that your concern? This is a dog, this is a bitch, he's a fucking evil dog. And people like you must be eradicated. You must be eradicated from this earth. You're doing too much for these fucking old people. You're doing too much. I don't care what you say. All of you is doing too much. When if you got dead, I was just popping on the fucking killer. Ouch.
Wow.
13, go away. Go away.
What I like here what she say about yourself.
Too much for these people. I don't care what you say. You're doing too much. Leave the woman alone. Leave her. Who's out there harassing your children?
Yeah, me there on the block.
Most of you on here are mothers.
Yo.
Most of you are mother.
Yeah.
I want to pick them on a stronghold, right? And this dog comes out every time and harass one and I pick them.
Oh, wait, she says some people, somebody go in there comment. Me don't want to go look. Somebody just tell me in the comment section and see the video. I wish she said about him so yesterday. The man come out and rant hard.
So when I hear that, when a doctor on the fool, come off the woman back to it, come off her back, but look after your big stinking foot.
Come on for Dana back, boy. Come on for Dana back. I'm gonna look out for your big dirty back. Come on for Dana back. Come on for Dana back, boy. I'm gonna look out for your big dirty messy back. Come on for Dana back. Come on for Dana back, boy. We can't say the same thing about you. How are the rasta this? So all you sit down on Dana back now. You understand? You sit down on Dana back. Right? And you have your mess to clean up where you also sit down on. So how you gonna run the woman to come off a Tina back and go deal with her foot and whatsoever? Eh? When you sit down on somebody back also, when you in a state of mess, because one, even if you feel like you want to use the bathroom and you want to defecate, by the time you get up it come down upon you. Reason being, you're quinty gone from a tender age. From a tender age, you have lose your quinty. And many people ask all the while when me call so, if you don't have that, You can't hold your stool. Your stool are going to left you. I mean, talk stool where you sit down pan. You don't know what me talk. Once you feel, not to mention if it liquefy, hey, it embarrass your road. Yes, man, when you're quinty gone, you cannot hold your stool. Because if you even go so, you mess up yourself. And if you even go so and take a deep breath or sneeze, you mess up yourself. Your quinty is like the bung. What me say? Your quinty is like the bung. It's just like when you know, say, boy, you go so boom, and you defecate, the defecator come out. So it push out your quinty, so your quinty open. And then when the defecation come out, it go up back. But female gone. So it's like it left one big hole so. So once this tool left the tripe and reach here so, there's nothing him can do. Mess is a must. But you depend somebody back and do that. Clean up yourself, but you tell such a man figure fix up herself and come off her back. Go your toe.
You're doing too much. And I don't care. Don't like me. I like your mama.
The amount where you do right now in a social media is more than too much. Right now where you are going on social media is more than too much.
Who is asking anything? Nobody. It's time when I start to do some own fucking medicine. Everything is going to take that blood clot. Simple. And teach them in a cure.
Get your one make you behave so, you know. You get your medicine make you behave so.
Anytime I see anything happen to you, woman, I like, me I come out, come talk. And you don't have to, don't say no thank you. You don't want to thank you from me. I don't want no thanks from nobody. Keeping the thanks to myself.
Well, you're not talking so. Well, you're dying to see Tina start jump up in your comment section.
Me have a talk.
And respond to your comment in a fair comment section. You're dying to see that you work for. That connection there. That's why you send an apology go give her.
You're freaking evil. I don't like you. You're too out harder. Him here there. She's out sin.
So if you're gonna say you don't like the number woman, right? Because she out of order and she too what you'd say about this person who you in defense of? I bet you come out and come do the live you defend what the number woman say about you. Instead of using T-Dog. Eh? I bet you come out here and whatever the number woman say about you, I bet you come out here and defend yourself what she say about you. More than you're going to put T-Dog in it. And I'm going to say certain things like what you're saying T-Dog is any better than what you are saying. Or what you classify our class that woman as. Tina is any better? I sure know you know about her history. Because you're one of them I love big up file. So I'm sure know you know her history. Not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many more than that. And counting. So you want to tell me what Tina Chin has. That so many people, not just now, last week, last month, last year, just keep going at Tina Chin. Ear in, ear out. I hear Babsy ask her what she have, because them time she said, Babsy said she have a M4, that is Babsy have a N4, and she have a BMW key, a pedal. A BMW key, a pedal. You know what that mean to me? That BMW was when she used to work alongside whatever low budgeted radio station. They give her the profile because she going to meet entertainers and celebrities, as what them say. So that beamer was given to her by whosoever control the radio station for her to have a profile. Because you know you're going to mix with celebrity and entertainer, you have to have a profile behind it, you know. And with she and the Twingy Twangy, yes. So that beamer wasn't hers. And the woman tell her she have an M4. The woman tell her she have a house value over $500,000. Or just under $500,000. So Tina never have nothing from back then till now. So why so much people would be going at Tina ear to ear? Who is the problem? Evidently, who is the problem? But you have to come out here in defense of she I tell half that woman they say she's this and she's that. So where you see Tina as? Where you see Tina as? An earth angel? I bet you they come out here come cuss the woman, the number woman for yourself because you say she come at you. More than using Tina and making yourself look like an asshole. Because it's only evident that you're trying to gain connection with Tina after that apology letter that you write her.
It's just too out of order. Who has the blueprint for being out of order? Who has the blueprint for being out of order? I know you. I know you're 13. 13, is it not you have the blueprint for being out of order? Is it not one of people have the blueprint for being out of order? You, Erica Ashanti, and what on over that side? Is it not Uno have the blueprint for being out of order?
You never know, so Dana have company. She hire people. So true. Yeah, man, we always come trouble the people them. So true. Cool, you too.
Let's be real about this. I am an outsider. I see
You
what
favor
I
like
see.
when them just
It's been
analyze
far
one
too
ticks
long.
off our
And
dog.
every fucking year come with the same
Yeah, man,
shit
so you look.
for that big-
Like when them just
Hey,
analyze
hey,
a ticks.
this- hey,
Because you know the
this
ticks
is
are
the
got
people
liquid
them
something
not-
that we
this
take from the
people
dog.
them could have done it, oh fuck. Blood clot, they do what I don't know. Because I'm doing fucking too much. I hate you people.
Come like you sit down for one piece of the cloth the right I know.
No one is trouble. Nobody not trouble to pit them. Nobody.
The fire, you know, the fire when you come out here with in your belly. You claim to say number woman say something about you yesterday. You never need to include Tina in a this. What kind of energize you want to energize yourself? To behave the way how you behave now, that you have involved Tina in a this. When you could have come out here in defense of your own self because you claim to say the woman said something about you yesterday. You never need Tina in a this. But as I say, because you're going searching, you need connection. Me understand.
Does it know come into play on the boat here just to harass people so people and then pick this up. Watch them. When you come out at daytime, when you put out TV about CJ, Curly son. Yes, it's CJ trouble. You know trouble, no? Is this boy trouble now? But no one bring people in pain by any means, this is right. When I some slut like the one I know. Plants gonna go suck out to the man back to all I know. Any plant gonna go suck your man out. You hear me? But they're doing too much. I'm gonna name that shit too. But they're doing too much. On a fucking old group, you all die.
You already eat Tina one. You already eat Lorian one. You eat Marcia one. And probably them combo. Bob, Michelle, Lorian, Tina, and Marcia one gear. And all the rest them would have combo that gear too. Finia. And none of them they put together can be good. You understand? Much less. So you know watch we over here say who for one we want to eat. You get a combo of Bob, Lorian, all cartoon one at a time. Yes man. Cause cartoon, some cartoon one left over there. So you get them in a combo. Marcia, Tina and the whole of them. You get combo. Plus you get single sandwich from them. So just eat and full your belly. That's all you have to do.
I'm gonna be, well, I'm not groupie.
Look who's talking.
Groupie dog's gonna be, go away. I don't like you people. When I'm wicked, I'm in a business when it's wicked. And it's on a wicked. I mean, I take it back. I sit you on a
Me see your pain, man. Me see your pain. Rejection. Me see your pain, nasty boy. Me see your pain. Rejection. I see your pain. I don't feel it, you know, because I don't know what rejection feels like. But I can see your pain.
The people don't show us what trouble. Are they troubling their children? No. I don't want that. It's not funny. But suck my wood. I'm doing too much. Suck down to what I'm be.
Yo! Pressure bus pipe.
If they go
Mind your
different
blood
name
vessel. Pressure
Dogs.
bust pipe.
Tell you people,
Mind your blood vessel.
back on our God.
Be careful
Fuck
of your
off.
health.
Full
Remember, it's not
time now for
that
these
sound.
people.
Me choose.
Use them money now. The full
Me not play the money, girl, enough. Me not play the money, girl, yeah.
You don't spend no money.
What you not spend for you?
You want spend no money.
Yeah, I thought we are not playing no more. You already play enough.
Go spend yours.
You couldn't come out and come defend yourself against her. And make a content. You have to use tea, girl. Don't worry, man. Handcuff coming for you. Your neighbor coming for you. Or that if you pay attention to your neighbor is coming for you.
Hear me? On is criminal. On a scammer, on a thief. Do all I want. Go away.
Backpedal on your word, man.
Dogs.
Backpedal on your word. You afraid?
I know for no protect for no brand because this
Yeah, what brand?
serpent
What
is
brand?
not stopping.
What brand? What the brand there? Where is the brand?
No got to do something.
Where is the brand? Who has the brand out here? Them brand been popped a long time. None of them can't get one fucking advice and that's with the foreign. If they want brand, tell them to go pull up two and that's with the foreign. Go away. Which brand?
You know who that mature out pan? Hey, hey. Dana mature out pan, I can't remember now, you know. You hear it? Dana is the only one actually out here will get endorsement deal like that. Make them pull up two endorsement deal of foreign now. Remember when Dana just go up, you know, she get about 3-4 gig, you know what she do, you know. And all of women defend, we don't see them do none. And it's just a matter of time now. You understand? It's just a matter of time. Don't worry, man. You're not a cusser, you're not this, but at the same time, you throw one amount of shades at her. A good thing she's strong. If you carry all people like her up on her back, she must strong.
Go away. Where on the blood clot? What the brand? Go away. Where is the brand? Rihanna is a brand. Robin Rihanna Fenty is a brand. Beyonce is a brand. Kylie Jenner is a brand. Kim Kardashian is a brand. But the blood clot brand, the fuck off. On our jing bang.
I know it burn you, man. It burn you. You have brand at all different level. Waste, man. Waste, man. Sewage. You have more than different level of brand. So to me the name Kim Kardashian, to me the Kim Kardashian and me and Beyonce, we have big multi-million-dollar deal. Me have one little deal with down a Pepsi or down a Excelsior biscuit. Me is not a brand, I am a brand. I want to come out and come tell people about them, educated, but we know, you know, we know the thing, you know, but we just a look argument. So that sometimes we don't have the strength so much to come out, come speak of certain things. We don't make ourselves look low and non-educated. That we don't use some things we're not supposed to use. Because all this now, you have to say, where the brand there? Because Kim Kardashian and Beyonce and Rihanna, them have multi-million-dollar deals. They are brand only. Me advertise fixing phone for one phone shop. Me is a brand. Me is a brand. Not because my deal on the value $50. Me is a brand. Where? You for where? Neighbor, me case deal with him, no neighbor, and calm him down. Probably are the closest one right now for calm him back down, you know. Yeah, man. He might go on too much now. He need to calm down back.
From an onslaught. Who's gonna protect her family from all of your onslaught against her? Who's gonna protect Marcy's family?
Who did protect Tony Mataran, Ninja Man, Ragashanti, Leisha, Babsy, and all the other names go down the line? Who did protect them against her? Them protect themselves.
Full-time dynamite Lulu live out her last with happiness and joy. Dana should have thought about it before she could bring Ashanti in her space. Dana should have thought about it before she bring Ashanti and Porty in her space. Lulu will never have no blood clad peace. Lulu not get no fucking peace. She not get no fucking peace. You understand, 13? I want to not get no.
No worry about Lulu. Your mama we have boast about her England, we have this and have that. And the people them criticize the piece of all house where you show. The car where you come out, you come see your mama buy this and buy that. Lulu far alright that your mama and you. You not worry. Speak my mind, people. Because the whole want to come out and talk about Lulu. And that's the attention them really want, you know. That's the attention them want. Them want when them come out and come talk, and them know when them talk about the pitney and, yeah? Yeah. You still now get it. She wise up now. She learn as she go along. You know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch your ads and continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember to go follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Also, and the link of the YouTube channel pinned in the comment section, Life is a Mission TV. And the cash app is there, you ask sorry to get it. Same place in the comment section. $ Charms and Trends. And please run over to the website, charmsandtrend.shop, and go get some of the merch. You can't say you're a supporter and no, you don't order one t-shirt over a month now. Check the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Alright? Bless upon yourself and peace out.